Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this FANEAC ultra powerful electric duster with really high specs, lot of functions, lot of accessories. So it definitely has the potential to leave competitors in the dust, but let's find out. First, of course, let's see what we get here in the box. And the box already is a really beautiful high-tech one. Watch this thing, how beautiful this is. Definitely perfect for high-tech fans. We even have a brushless motor, overheating protection, super high wind speed, and we get a large instructions manual. Haven't seen such a comprehensive instructions manual with any air duster. But if that's too much, we get also this quick instruction sheet, nice protection. And here we have it, and not only the packaging looks amazing, but also the device itself. Watch how nice this looks. Definitely the most beautiful high-tech air duster I've ever seen. And here the first really nice extra, that's the extra battery. I've never seen an air duster with an extra battery. So if you're a power user of air dusters, then this is definitely a huge advantage. And here the other accessories get also this nice storage and carry case. Comes with a standard USB-A to modern USB-C charging cable, some cleaning stuff, and even a wrist strap. And we do not only get one nozzle, we get really 3 nozzles. I've never seen an air duster with 3 different nozzles, and actually it's not 3 nozzles, it's actually 4 nozzles, because the first one is already here. Difference in diameter is not too large, just a little bit, but of course we cannot have super small outlet here. That's not possible. That's a technical limitation with all the air dusters. Has nothing to do with this one, but I really like what we have here. Absolutely amazing, can definitely help, and it's very easy to switch out the nozzles. And the super cool feature is that we can charge the extra battery directly in the battery. With most such devices we have to add the battery here, and only then we can charge it, so it blocks the device. So here we can charge the extra battery while we are using the duster. And so here a little bit closer for the detail function. Again, to swap out the nozzle, we rotate it counterclockwise, just pull it out and replace it with one of the other nozzles, or here in this case put it back. By the way, it's not possible to add one of the nozzles here in the intake, so we cannot use it for deflating or so, at least not with a smaller diameter. But of course we can use it to inflate an airbag or so, absolutely no problem. But of course not with high pressure. And so we align it here again, rotate it and fully secure it. So the good thing, it has a really super solid hold. So compared to most other models which are just using magnets to hold it in place, this is of course the much more secure option. Just about 1 month ago I've lost a nozzle from such an air duster. I couldn't find it anymore. It was blown away because it was just holding with the magnets. So that's definitely my choice. And so here we have the battery holder. We have to push here with one hand and then pull the battery down, replace it, push the other one in. Super easy to turn it on. We press here in the back for about 2 seconds. We see then the speed indicator, and so with a quick push we can change it, level 1, level 3, level 2, and in the front we have the start stop button. Start stop works only on level 1 or level 2, so you can see that here. I just push quickly and then it works as long until I push here again. That same thing for level 2, but it's different on level 3. Here I have to press constantly to have the airflow because it's so strong. When I press just shortly, it won't really do anything. You can see it just starts a little bit, but not really starting the airflow. I think that's not a bad thing, because on level 3 it's definitely super strong. And I'm not just saying that, I can definitely prove that. Here I'm trying to inflate a balloon, something which is super hard for such a size of an air duster, pretty much impossible. I have just found one single air duster or jet blower which has been able to do that. All the other ones have failed and there were a lot of them. So let's hold it here and start the airflow. Yeah, that was super quick, and that's just a normal balloon. It's not an extra size or a prepared balloon, it's just a normal standard one. I can show you that. I can repeat that test over and over with a new balloon. This one has never been inflated. And as you know, that's the biggest challenge, to inflate a balloon for the first time. So this thing definitely rocks, absolutely awesome. And of course, not only inside, but also outside. I mean, it's not a full replacement for a gas blower outside to clean up leaves in the backyard. But if it's just around the entrance of your home, maybe on the porch, around the pool or so, this can be absolutely awesome. Absolute lifesaver, has helped me already a lot. And because it's not super loud, I don't have to use earplugs. Of course, I wouldn't go too close or so, but other than that, I can just use it as normal. And every time after mowing my yard, I'm using this jet blower to blow off all the clippings, cooling me down, removing even the clippings from the mower with this absolutely awesome jet blower. Yeah, I'm definitely not going to call this duster anymore. For me, it's definitely a jet blower, and it's super small, lightweight, super high-tech design. And we get a bunch of nice extras, nozzles, battery. Yeah, it doesn't get any better than that. Of course, I have to disclose that I got this jet blower here for free, but they were not even aware of that I'm doing this video here. And so it's definitely my honest opinion on that. Of course, it's not the super cheap version. Listing price is around $100 with a 20% coupon, at least at the moment, as far as I can see. Definitely worth to check the listing, see if you can get some discount on that. In the description I will also add a second option which is a little bit cheaper, maybe $20-30 cheaper, but it doesn't come with this full set of accessories, but has a very similar airflow speed. So if you're interested, definitely check out the listings, find the one which you like the most, or the one for you if you like, or maybe for a friend or family member or whatsoever. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this jet blower, and just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.